Well, hello there, friends. So this is another progress video. Sorry to say that it's not a techniques video for upholstery yet because I'm still working on my shop. Here it is a week later, but I have made a lot of progress. But you know what? And I got my customers are still calling me, and I got to keep putting them off. I keep telling them, maybe I'll be ready for you in about 2 weeks. But anyway, it's still a mess, but I'm making progress here. I got all the electrical done and put up a bunch of drywall. I'll show you here in a second. But you know, it's still a mess. Here I am, late Saturday afternoon again. You know, I usually make my videos like on Wednesdays or Thursdays, but because of the situation, I'm working all the time. So I don't even have like a free minute. So here I am. It's not a procrastination, it's just that I've been so busy. So Saturday evening, I'm getting the Sunday video ready for you guys. Well, as you can see, got the ladders up because I've been putting them to use today. Oh, that's a 12-foot all the way up there. So it's kind of tough. I've been up and down those ladders 1,000 times building this building. Trust me, believe me. So anyway, look, I got some real window blinds. I was covering the windows with a piece of vinyl before, just like an upholstery guy, right? And I had a bunch of vinyl, so I covered my windows with it. So I got my surveillance, my video, got my video system going now. Got my electrical box all sorted out. Okay. Yeah, that's what I was working on the last couple days. Well, the junk moved just a little bit. There's a little bit of movement there in the junk. This is actually my first customer right here. She dropped it off before I moved my shop, and I still have it. She just called me, told me that she just picked out her material. So that'll probably be my very first job right there. I know it doesn't look like much right now, but it is progress. I'm gonna straighten out my desk here after I do this wall. So we still got insulation and drywall here. That's what's coming up here in the next couple days. So it'll look more like something. Well, I realize I might be looking a little rough because you're probably thinking, oh, he's not taking care of himself, right? But that's because I've been working like crazy. But anyway, I promise I will take better care of that. So that way I can be more presentable. As you know, everything I do is real life. You know, it's not staged, it's not scripted. I don't have the fancy blue and purple and pink lights behind me. You know, this is it. This is real world stuff. So I hope that's why you watch my channel, is because you know that I am real and the information that I give you about upholstery is true and real. So now is the perfect time to hit that like button. So like. So now I know I got to get things going because my customers are calling and calling. So every day I get calls and I have to break the news to them and tell them that I can't help them today because I'm doing electrical today on my new building, or I'm doing drywall today on my new building. So anyway, everybody's really understanding and they're willing to wait. So that's great. You know, I got customers calling from all over Texas here, which is, you know, normal anyway. But, you know, they're willing to travel to come here to have me work on their vehicle or their boat or whatever it is that they're working on. So I'm surprised because when I do answer my phone, you know, I look at the caller ID, right? And they're from like somewhere else. They're not even close to where I am. But, you know, it's like a 2-hour drive for most people or more even. But, you know, in San Antonio the other day, the guy's ready to bring his stuff. So I have work. It's just that I can't work. As you saw, my junk over there is still covering my sewing table. This is why I got to get organized. So this is why I don't rest. So anyway, I'm going on a couple months now without income, which is kind of tough because, you know, bills don't stop coming, right? So anyway, that could be a reminder. You know, there's a super thanks button right there that would really help me out during this time. It's that way I can continue making these videos for you. So anyway, that would help out. I do always answer my comments on all the videos, and I try to be as helpful as I can. I give a lot of free advice. So, I'm hoping that you find some value in that and that you would hit that super thanks button. Thank you. So I got to get my computer here set up again so that way I can make a video for you tonight. So I haven't had my computer here set up for the last few days. So I'm sure my comments are probably stacking up on me. I'm going to probably end up spending a couple hours answering comments now and emails. So I got that to look forward to. Maybe I can do that instead of sleep. So I'm looking forward to another day tomorrow, so that way I can do this wall here next. So I'm going to go ahead and get that one done, so that way I can also have a place to entertain my customers when they walk in the door. They're not going to look at a totally junky place, I hope. Hopefully by then I'll have everything organized. Well, Mr. Poodles decided that he was going to come say hi to me. I'm Mr. Poodles. He's my buddy, keeps me company all the time. He's a real sweetheart. Aren't you, boy? Yeah, give me kisses. Well, I'm so glad that you stuck around to the end and you know who you are. So until next time, we'll see ya.